A very good evening, Zimbabwe.
So, Makomborero Haruzivishe, CCC Activist and Youth Leader, was acquitted by the High Court. And the facts surrounding this matter were that Makomborero Haruzivishe was arrested and was convicted by the magistrate. And when he was convicted, the charges were that he blew a whistle during the demonstrations, and he got arrested for that. He got convicted for that, and he was out of prison because he appealed against the sentence and conviction, and he got acquitted by the High Court. And this is a new development, very, very and at this moment. According to newzimbabwe.com, they're saying just in the High Court has dropped charges against self-exiled firebrand CCC Zimbabwe activist Makomborero Haruzivishe in a case he was accused of inciting violence. This follows a successful appeal against his conviction and sentence. There's a plus for Team CCC because one of their own champion, Makomborero Haruzivishe, has been released. It has been confirmed as well as CCC handle, as you can see right here on the screen, the CCC Zimbabwe handle, where they just confirmed that indeed the High Court has set aside the conviction of political activist Makomborero Haruzivishe, and by a matter of setting aside conviction, the sentence itself is no longer there because the sentence comes after conviction. So, goodbye for Team CCC and a very positive development. And there is a jubilation file of CCC because of this victory at this juncture. So this is it. Makomborero Haruzivishe is believed not to be in Zimbabwe at this moment in time, and that is the reason why you saw Zimbabwe from saying self-exiled. But these are just rumors. Myself, I'm not so sure about his whereabouts. He didn't confirm his left Zimbabwe. So this just speculation at this moment. The development Team Zimbabwe, Makomborero Haruzivishe has been freed by the High Court, and that is so good. That is a plus in terms of the fight against dictatorship in the national zone. We applaud the courts for actually giving a rightful sentence, a much appreciated sentence, which they said he must go to jail for 0 days. So the issue being raised by several people is that he was not supposed to be arrested in the first place, even if people are to celebrate, but he was not supposed to be arrested in the first place. He spent so many days in prison, and that was not so good for him. And that was not so good in terms for his health, for his mental health, physical health, and family. And as well as the cadres in the struggle. But it happened, and it's now water under the bridge. We forge ahead, we continue to fight. This is it. My name is Ronald Let us meet in other episodes and other programs.